I recognition we're in the place at Rebel Salute 2014. You know, Rebel Salute is the kind of show that showcases every talent and any talent as long as their mission is to preserve reggae music. And with me, this tonight is one such of these talents that was showcased on the Reggae Nation stage at Rebel Salute 2014. Do you remember 2005, a young group called Q entered Digital Rising Stars and they played fifth? Well, this is Danni from that group, Q. Danni, big up yourself. Welcome to Reggae Nation.
One love, sister. Big up yourself, Reggae Nation. Keep the fire burning.
Let me give you a little trouble. Them ever tell us you look like Junior Gang yet?
Boy, me get that every day. You know what I mean? But yo, big up the gang them, you know, and the whole of the mall of them because of them set it. Yeah, me get that all the while still, but I don't know. This is Danni. Yes, I.
All right, Danni. How was your experience being your debut on the Rebel Salute stage?
Trust me, it was so positive. Boy, I can't even explain, you know. I'm the first time I come Rebel Salute. I see it the first time I come Rebel Salute, I get to perform, so you know it's a blessing. Selassie I the first. Big up yourself, Mr. Tony Rebel and Mr. Ryan Rebel. It's a positive look.
Okay, do you have an album? And what have your activities been in terms of development of your career since your appearance on Rising Stars?
Alright, you don't know in Rising Stars I entered with the group Q. And then the group declined from a quartet to a trio to a duo and now a Danni, one-man army. I roll with Sonny Spoon. So me and Sonny Spoon started working last year, April. And you know, everything seemed prosperous so far because we recently released 3 singles, you know. We just shot the video for Time No Wait. So look out for that because that I go release next week from now because today is the 17th, right? So in the Monday week I come, Time No Wait I go drop. And then after that, you don't know, look out for some more singles and then it might just lead up to an album this year if everything works out perfectly.
All right, Danni, if somebody asks you to define reggae music, what would you define it as?
All right, reggae music is roots, culture, you know what I mean, and reggae music is struggle music, and reggae music is joy and love. Yo, may I tell you some whole heap of things in I want to come, I can't continue. But reggae music is Jamaican, indigenous, authentic music.
Well said. How important is Rebel Salute to the reggae industry, the reggae entertainment space?
Alright, Rebel Salute really and truly keep reggae alive. And we need more shows like these, you know what I mean? Where you just come out and you enjoy some real authentic reggae music. You see me? Because at these shows you can book up some real vintage acts where you only see at these shows mixed with some young acts like myself. So you don't know, again, big up yourself, Tony Rebel and the whole Rebel team. You see me, Ryan, the whole works. At it up.
Yes, we are at it up.
Yeah, me, Reggae Nation. Me say we got to keep moving. Time now we had pan me, and now we had pan you. So what we have to do today, nobody left it for tomorrow. No left it for tomorrow. Alright, earth a run red. Reality Richie well said. Yeah, me, this is Danni. And when I speak, make them hear it. Whoever the cap fits, make them hear it. Any man feel guilty of them, me nah wipe my mouth a grung and me nah beg no friend. Selassie the first. Red Hot. Reggae Nation. You understand the baddest internet station. Bless.